Yo, what's up, everyone? Quick question, you got your phone in your hand, right? Chances are it's an iPhone. And you probably used Apple Pay to whip out payments faster than a magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat. But here's the burning question, can you actually use your Chime card with Apple Pay? I mean, it's 2023, right? It should be a no-brainer, but hey, let's dive in and find out together. So, you're probably thinking, dude, of course, Chime works with Apple Pay. It's like basic tech stuff. Well, hold your horses there, partner. While it sounds like a match made in tech heaven, things aren't always as straightforward as they seem. I've seen enough tech fails and customer support nightmares to know that anything is possible. Let's break it down. Chime is a popular online bank that's all about making banking easier and more accessible. Apple Pay, on the other hand, is Apple's digital wallet that lets you pay for stuff with a tap of your phone. Seems like a perfect pair, right? But here's the thing, compatibility can be a tricky beast. Some banks and cards just don't play nice with others. So, does Chime actually work with Apple Pay? The short answer is, drumroll please. Yes. You can absolutely use your Chime Visa debit card with Apple Pay. It's like a match made in tech heaven. You can add your Chime card to your Apple Wallet just like any other debit or credit card. It's super easy. But wait, there's more. Not only can you use it for in-store purchases, but you can also use it for online shopping and even in apps. It's like having your wallet right there in your pocket, ready to go whenever you need it. So, why would I even make a video about this? Well, there are a few reasons. First, I want to make sure you guys have all the info you need. Second, I want to talk about some of the benefits of using Chime with Apple Pay. And third, I want to address some common questions and concerns you might have. Let's talk benefits. Using Chime with Apple Pay is not only convenient, but it's also secure. Apple Pay uses tokenization, which means your actual card number isn't shared with merchants. So, you can rest easy knowing your financial info is protected. Plus, with features like Face ID and Touch ID, you can add an extra layer of security to your payments. Now, let's tackle some of those questions. Some people might be wondering about fees. Good news! There are no extra fees for using Chime with Apple Pay. You pay the same as you would if you were using your physical card. Another common question is about Apple Watch. Yes, you can use your Chime card with Apple Pay on your watch. It's just as easy as using it on your phone. So, there you have it. Chime and Apple Pay are a match made in tech heaven. It's easy to set up, secure, and convenient. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping new videos all the time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Peace out.